This bolt's torqued. Check the bushing. Got it. Look shot. Need the new one. Passing the old part back. Copy that. New panels are here. Let's get them placed. On it. This door panel first. Perfect. Line it up. Headlights in. Torque it down. Securing now. Lug nuts tight. Wheel secure. Good work. She's done.